Chicago, the model of a world-class city. A city defined by its iconic architecture and world-renowned civic places. Places like Soldier Field. For nearly a century, it has been the icon on Chicago's lakefront. While other cities have erased these landmarks from their urban landscape, Chicago is on the verge of transforming one of our most storied civic assets into the very definition of the next generation of sports and entertainment venues. How do we get there? By reimagining Soldier Field in a way that addresses all of the emerging trends that tomorrow's fans will demand. Transit access is key. One Central brings together all modes of regional transit: CTA, Metra, Amtrak, and the new Shyline Central Area Circulator System in a safe and secure pedestrian environment on par with the very best international transit stations. Upon arrival, you ascend into the most dynamic entertainment district anywhere on the globe. An immersive fan experience built around 6 themed attractions that represent the best of Chicago. This is where we raise the bar on what urban entertainment means for tomorrow's fan and tourists. As you approach Soldier Field, the game day atmosphere is transformed through innovative technologies and partnerships with leading corporate brands, bringing fan immersion, engagement, and experiences to a level never before imagined. Welcome to Soldier Field. The Veterans Memorial is a monument to those who served our nation. A celebrated place, bridging our past to our future and paying tribute to Illinois veterans and their families, not just on game day, but every day. Journey up to the historic colonnades. The Burnham Club captures the essence of what makes Soldier Field so unique, with sweeping views of Chicago's lakefront. The historic architecture that defines Soldier Field becomes the stage for one of the most dynamic club environments in all of sports. The Skyline Club puts the city's culinary scene on display in a way no other stadium has imagined. A focal point for fans on game day, and an important new offering for all visitors to Chicago's famed Cultural Mile. These are the amenities expected of a world-class entertainment environment. The new Colonnade Club showcases how we solve one of the greatest functional deficiencies of Soldier Field by building the spectator amenities that are desperately lacking today in an historic setting that celebrates the essence of the Chicago style of architecture. In the words of Daniel Burnham, challenging Chicago to make no little plans, this reimagined Soldier Field includes a dome, allowing Chicago to host world-class events that have never before come to our city. Set against the backdrop of Chicago's skyline, Soldier Field becomes America's premier venue for year-round entertainment. America has built many sports venues over the last 20 years, but no building elevates to meet the demands of tomorrow's fans like the new Soldier Field. The character and quality and range of amenities is second to none in sports. The stadium of the future will be defined by activation. Unique places that families, fans, and visitors to the city will journey to on game day and every day. The social crossroads of the city, and a place that uniquely says, "This is Chicago." In Chicago, we build, and when we build, we aim to be among the very best across the globe. Unlike other cities, we don't walk away from our most storied and iconic assets. We build on our history and make it the foundation of our future. Welcome to Chicago for the next generation and beyond.